Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today, we will learn about number 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. Number 17 comes after number 16. Look at this picture and count the objects. Yes, in this picture, there are 17 cupcakes on the table. Cupcakes. Let's see some more examples. 17 books on a bookshelf. 17 chairs in a room. Children, in this lesson, we learned about cupcakes. Do you like to eat cupcakes? Can you tell how does a cupcake taste? Yes, cupcake is sweet and delicious. How many cupcakes are in this picture? Can you count them? Right, there are 17 cupcakes. Do you want to take one? Let's learn to write number 17. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.